Hello dear students. Today we will start the topic adverbs. This is the topic of grammar, adverb. So first of all, we will see that what is the definition of an adverb. Okay students, first it should be clear to you that what is the definition of adverb. Adverb. Look students, adverb is a word that describes or modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So students, keep it in your consideration that look at these words which are written in the red ink. Okay beta. So just concentrate that the adverb is a word that describes or modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Clear? So let me discuss about it, that how we can modify the meaning of all these parts of the speech, like verb and adjective and another adverb. Look at the first one, A. Adverb modify a verb. How can an adverb modify a verb? For example, let's see the example. First example, the show will begin soon. The show will begin soon. Look at this word which is written in red. The show will begin soon. So it is qualifying the verb here. The show will start when? Soon. When? Soon. So this word soon is modifying the meaning or adding something more to the word begin. And what is begin here? Begin is a verb. Clear beta? And for more clarity, let us look at the second example also. He speaks eloquently. He speaks eloquently. How he speaks? Eloquently means very frankly, very fluently. Okay. So again this word, this is an adverb, and this adverb word is qualifying or modifying or adding something more to the word speak. Means how he speak? He speak eloquently. Clear? And what is this word here? Verb. Clear beta? So these two words like soon and eloquently, these are modifying the word which we normally call as a verb. An action word. What is verb? An action word. Now, so we have done this one, that the word describes or modifies the meaning of a verb. This has been done here. Now next, adverb can modify an adjective. First of all, it should be clear to you that what is an adjective. Adjective is a word that tell us or modify or add something more to the meaning of a noun. And now look at the example. First example. The plums were very sweet. The plums were very sweet. So, this is an adjective and this one is adverb. This is adverb and this is adjective. Clear students? Now let me break this sentence into the parts. That what is sweet? Plums are sweet. What is sweet? Plums are sweet. So, sweet is adjective, because I told you that adjective is that which tell us about the quality of a noun. So which is sweet here? Plums are sweet. So plums is noun here. And how much they are sweet? Very sweet. So normally what happens, that adjective come just before the adverb come just before the adjective. When if it is modifying adjective, then definitely adverb will come just before the adjective, because it is modifying it. Okay. So here plums were very sweet. Sweet is adjective and very is adverb, because it is telling us that plums were sweet, but they were very sweet. So it is deepening the meaning of sweet. That not only sweet, they are more sweet, very sweet. Clear beta? For more clarity, we can see the second example also. The document was very informative. As I told you that what is an adjective? Adjective is that word which tells us about the noun. And what is noun here? Document. So here the statement is telling us that the document was very informative. What was informative? Document. So document is noun. Okay. And informative is adjective. Because it is telling us the quality of the noun. And what is adverb here? Again very. This is adverb. And it is telling us about the degree of information. How much important this information or this document is. So the document was very informative, but how much informative it is? It is very informative. So it is used very, this adverb used just before this word informative. Informative in adjective, so it comes before the adjective, so it is adverb beta, and it is adding something more to the meaning of adjective, means to the informative. Clear beta? So we have done this also, an adjective. Now another adverb. Come at the definition, look at here. Another adverb means adverb modify another adverb also. It is an adverb itself, but it is modifying or can add something more to the meaning of another adverb also. Clear bachche? So look at the C part. Adverb modify another adverb. Another adverb, how? For more clarity, let me see at the examples. They finished the test quite quickly. They finished. Finished is a verb. And test quite quickly. Quite quickly. Quickly is adverb, because it is telling us that test was completed, finished quickly. What finished? What has been finished? Test has been finished. Okay. And finished को ही highlight कर रहा है. That's why we can call that it is, this word quickly is adding something more or modifying the meaning of finished. It means it finished quickly. But how quickly? Quite quickly. How quickly? Quite quickly. So this is an adverb. Again, quite is also adverb. So here you can see that quite is a word which is adding something more or telling us the depth of this adverb quickly. Clear? For more clarity, we can see the next example also. We rose very early. We rose. Rose is verb. Early is adverb. Because this adverb is telling us or adding something more to this word, that we rose. Rose means we get up. Get up early in the morning. So we rose very early. We rose early in the morning. It's our habit. But how early? How much early? Means when? Very early. Very early. It may be 5 p.m. It may be 4 p.m. Very early. Clear, students? So again, this is adverb, and it is telling us that how much early we are getting up. So this word adverb, again adding something more to the early. Clear, beta? So I think definition is clear that the adverb is a word that describes or modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. In the part A, we have seen that this here adverb modify the meaning of verb. In this B part, we have seen that adverb modify or add something more to the meaning of adjective. In the C part, we have seen that adverb modify another adverb, like quickly and early, and these are the adverb, and one more adverb, quite and very. Clear? Number D. Sometime an adverb can modify a whole sentence also. Whole sentence also. But whenever it will modify the whole sentence, then the word adverb will be used in the very starting of the sentence, in the beginning. Clear? For example, look at this example. Seriously, this is not an easy task. It means here the writer or the speaker want to say that this work is not so easy task. It means it is somewhat difficulty. We must consider it seriously. So here seriously is telling us about the whole sentence, that task was not easy, we should not consider it easy, we should take it serious. Okay students, hopefully this definition is complete beta, and it is clear to you also. And in the next video I will tell you the kinds of adverbs. So understand definition first. Okay students, thank you beta.